read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine. So, our today's letter is uppercase and lowercase letter J. In our class, today we taught to the students how to write it, how to pronounce it, sound and vocabulary words, and joyfulness. After that, short story. At home, how could you teach letter J? You could keep a glass of juice on the table. Let's start how to write it. Start from the first line, come straight down, turn the loop, make small slipping line. It will make capital J. The letter name is J. The sound of J is J. Juice. Fresh juice. Start from second line, come straight down, turn, put a dot on the top. It will make small j, capital J, small j, and the sound of J is J. Juice, J. Joker, J. Jet, J. Jacket. Wow. Okay. Yummy, tasty mango juice. Now, joyfulness. Take a deep breath and smile wide. Take a deep breath and smile wide. Now, it's story time. The Joker wore a colorful jacket. He flew his jet to the show. He was greeted with juice. The juice put smile on his face. Okay, I hope so you enjoyed this lecture a lot and you will teach with a happy face happily at home. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.